A 2019 product hack that will make your life so much easier in these next few months. Stay tuned, I'm gonna walk you through that as well as give you a few free bonuses along the way. So let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sebastian Esqueda. I am a digital marketer. I build websites for clients, I do dropshipping, I do a lot of stuff. But in this video, I want to discuss this dropshipping product research hack per se that I found out about 2 weeks ago, and I want to actually explain it with you guys. I don't want to hide it because a lot of people go on and talk about stuff but kind of leave things on the table and don't discuss everything they do. I want to show you exactly what I'm doing right now to find the winning products that I'm able to sell through Shopify. So yeah, we're gonna get into it right now. This one tip is probably gonna be a huge game changer for a lot of you guys. It is called Turbo Ad Finder. So it's a Google Chrome extension. Basically what it does is when you're on Facebook, you're scrolling through your feed. Do you know how you get ads every so often? Well, yeah, so basically what it does is it takes away everything that isn't an ad and shows you just the sponsored ads. So what is this gonna do? This is actually going to allow you to go ahead and find literally tons and tons of products that people are selling online. And then also what you can do is once you start seeing ads that are like, let's just say a dropshipping ad, what you can actually do is click through the links and stuff and then start adding it to cart. You can actually also embed a piece of code when you inspect elements, and embed a piece of code to make the computer think that you're actually buying a product, or makes Facebook think that you're actually buying a product, to where now you're faking them out and you're generating a sale. Like it doesn't show up on the owner of Shopify or the Shopify website owner's page per se, but it shows up on Facebook and it registers that a pixel has fired for purchase. So what happens from there is you will get a lot more ads. So I've done that myself. I do that a lot, very often, just because I like to be an engaged shopper, which in reality I literally don't buy anything unless it's from like Amazon normally. So it's kind of false. I don't actually spend the money. It's just a little trick that I can do. But from there what happens is you'll get a ton, like when I say a ton, I mean a ton of ads that are marketing directly to you, that are products, most likely dropshipping. So what do we do from here? Well, from here what I basically do is I open up, let's just say 5 tabs, and I go through every single product and I take notes of how they're marketing it. So what if it's a video, or like how their visuals are, a video, a photo, a carousel, which are slides of multiple products, and how they have their description of the product laid out on their Shopify store, and then what the captions are on the ad, how they're laying that out. Are they using emojis? Are they having a bit.ly link? Are they having their shop link? Are they linking direct to homepage, or are they linking to product page? How are they laying all that stuff out? I keep track of that just because if you want to become a great seller online, if you want to become a good dropshipper, you have to take note of these big players, just because they are normally doing huge moves and doing big numbers and have specific strategies that they implement that work for them. So that is something that you want to be taking note of. Figure out how these people are doing what they're doing, how they're structuring their ads, how they're structuring their websites, and so on. Also, one thing I do want to mention, when you are finding products through Facebook, all this stuff, and you find bit.ly links. So bit.ly is a URL shortener. It is free to use. If you want to use the base versions, you can literally use or shorten as many links as you want. One thing that's awesome, when you find bit.ly links, copy it, paste it into a new tab. Do not search it. Add the plus, the little plus, that thing, the plus that we used in math class. Add that to the end of it, and what's gonna happen is once you hit enter, it's actually gonna pull up how many clicks a website has gotten, or how many clicks that bit.ly link has gotten. So what's cool about this, because people are like, okay, well yeah, what matters for that? You can see if a product is trending, so you can see kind of when they started the ad, because you'll see a steady growth of the link clicks. So for myself, I was searching today on Facebook to try and find some products. I found one that ended up having 120,000 link clicks from January alone, just from one bit.ly link. Now imagine if they did that and they had like 4 bit.ly links of the month. They were using a different link for each ad. Let's just say hypothetically they did that. That would be unreal amounts of sales. That would be a 6-figure product. So it's pretty nuts to say that is something that's free to use, the bit.ly link thing when you add the plus. So that is huge right there. That's something I use to verify if a product is selling, kind of proof of concept. That's one thing, but mainly when you have this Turbo Ad Finder, that thing is very huge, and it's free. I'm not like pitching you that Google extension, like it's free. So that is something big. Also, I mean, what's cool once you find these products that are winning is you can add them onto your store. You normally can figure out how they're marketing, like what sort of insights they're doing, because you can go through and see who's engaging and see who's liking the posts and commenting and you know, all that stuff. Then generally you can go through and try to market to the same audience, and if you can improve like one thing better, then you normally can make more money. So this is what I always do. I definitely always click on these ads that I get shown, because I understand how Facebook ads work. If you're an engaged shopper and you're likely to add to cart, Facebook is going to be showing you more ads, so therefore you need to be clicking on the ads that you see. If you even don't have the Turbo Ad Finder, which again, it's free, I don't know why you wouldn't, then just click through as many ads as you can see, add to cart, all that stuff, and you will get thrown awesome ads to potentially replicate. One thing that is also huge that people are now starting to hop onto, which I've been doing for probably about a year and a half, is going on Flippa.com. And I didn't talk about this because I used to sell Shopify stores, or at least attempt to. I never sold like successfully any big stores. Yes, I've probably sold some. Now I sell big websites, but back then I wasn't. But I always never wanted to give out this little tip because I didn't want people to find my dropshipping website and then copy my products. I just wanted to use it for myself. Now I really don't care, just because I want to help you guys as much as possible. So another way to find products, go to Flippa.com and just literally follow the step-by-step. Flippa.com, go through dropshipping or e-commerce websites, and then go through the ones that have zero inventory cost or zero amount in inventory or stuff like that. And then what happens is you can find dropshipping websites. You can see how much revenue they're doing per month, how much they're profiting, and what products they're selling. A lot of the times they're not hidden or private listings, so you can actually go through their website and see what they're doing and see how much they're selling and see all that good stuff, and go to their Facebook page, see how many, if they're running any ads, if you just click the info and ads tab on their Facebook page and all that stuff. So it's freaking huge. That is a very valuable tip as well. It's something that I use often, and it's something that you guys can implement and you guys can leverage right away. I think, you know, product research is definitely by far the hardest part of dropshipping in my opinion, because not even, I don't know, I think marketing is pretty simple, but finding the right products can be very difficult. So I definitely understand where you guys are coming from, because I've had a lot of questions probably the past month of people saying like, okay, well, there are these big dropshippers, but they already have winning products. Like, how do I get in here and how do I start finding these products already? Just because I don't know where to start. A lot of people have also DM'd me and said like, hey, I don't know where to start. I want to do this business. I don't know where to start. What products should I sell? So that's, you know, I understand where you guys are coming from. My first winning product was simply a product that someone marketed to me on Instagram. I saw it, I saw the ad, like, dang, I could probably sell that. I could dropship it. This was when I was wanting to dropship, but I didn't know, again, what to sell. I was like, oh yeah, I could probably dropship that. I tried it out. I did $700 my first day that I ran the ad for that one product, and it was completely mind-blowing and game-changing. That was a $7 investment that turned into $700 in revenue that day, so that was sweet. But that is going to wrap up this short little video that I wanted to just go through like a few little tips I have for finding products, just because this is probably the difficult part about this business. You know, for 2019, there are some different strategies like the ones I just explained that you should implement and that you should try out. If you're struggling with finding products though, I have something to offer to you. It's a little gift that I'm giving to you guys that you're gonna have to pay me for, so sorry about that, but it is a paid thing. I have 30 products, 30 products that I found to sell that are selling really well right now. I have their buy cost, how much you can fulfill a product for or fulfill an order for, how much you can sell the product for, how much you can profit it for on all these 30 products. Also, here's the best part. For each product that I have listed out on this document that you're gonna be able to buy in the link in the description, you actually get linked a website that is currently selling the product, that is doing well with the product, for every single product. So I'm not just making a list and like making up numbers and stuff. I'm actually linking you guys to websites that are currently selling the product and currently dropshipping the product. So what can you do from there? You can take note of their product description. I'm not gonna say copy it, you guys can do what you want, but you can take note of it, definitely, and definitely structure your description similar. You can take note of what apps these stores are using and all of that stuff. It is unreal, the amount of value I think I'm providing. Also, from the bit.ly, like I was saying, I found the product today that did 120,000 visits or link clicks. That product I'll have in that template or in that document of 30 products. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll have a link in my description. So I normally don't sell things on this channel. It's normally just providing value and all that stuff. I've sold courses in the past. and stuff like this in the past, but I just felt like this was gonna help people. Like, it was truly gonna help people, so that is why I whipped it up in a matter of like, I think it was like 2 days that this happened. So again, if you guys would like to check that out, I'll have a link in the description. But other than that, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please smash that like button and comment below. I want to know what your little strategy is for product research. If you do these strategies that I do, or if you have different ones, and if you actually know about these strategies, comment below, because I'm interested to know who knows about these strategies and who didn't know about them. I hopefully taught you something new today, but if not, no worries. I will be posting another video tomorrow. So with that being said, if you're not already subscribed, click that beautiful looking subscribe button below. And yeah, I got big moves coming this next few weeks, so stay tuned for all of that stuff. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great rest of your night. It's nighttime now. I just finished working. I didn't watch the Super Bowl because I had some work to take care of. So yeah, that's a whole different story. But I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace out.